Alright, guys, enough about me talking about the webcam. I'm gonna move to a different topic. And as you can tell from the title of the video, this is about online school. Online school, it's pretty hard for some people because it feels optional to some people. I don't know. I think all my friends are already most of my friends are already graduated, so they don't know like the struggle right now. The struggle for many kids worldwide, well, nationwide, in the United States, that online school is pretty. It's not hard, but like it doesn't feel like it's actually school. Right now, school has started, in person, but it's just like online school but in person. Kids are still going to have to be on their laptops and be in the call. I think I haven't. I'm just assuming, but for like I think in a couple of days, seniors are gonna start going to school as well. Freshmen were the first specimens to fucking to try and go to school, and I guess it's going swell. So more people are going to school, and yeah, I'm not gonna go back to school. I'm gonna be in online because of personal reasons. I'll probably get into it later, maybe a different video. But yeah. Anyway, I think for the people like that are struggling with online school, it's I get it. It feels optional, like I just said before, but it feels optional. It doesn't feel like actual school. You know, um, like and if you went in person, teacher would constantly tell you, "Come on, turn in your assignments," and like you'd feel like a bond that maybe I don't want to like let down my teacher, because they're an actual person. You see them in person. Uh, but like now it's just like an online video call, and once it's over. Then you can do whatever you want. But for me, I'm not really having any trouble with online school. I'm already gotten used to it. I already adapted. But I think for the people having some trouble, here's some tips. First step in making online school easier is ask your friends for help. You're everyone's in the same boat right now. We're all doing online school, and you're bound to have some at least one friend in one of your online classes. So text them, hit them up, be like, "Yo, do you understand this? Can I see your paper? Can I copy you?" Or maybe if you're feeling a little ruthless, ask for some help and guidance, and ask them how they're doing their online schoolwork, because that shit is it's hard, for everyone, especially for like people that don't really have any to believe that they're not really that smart, and then they just give up. But yeah, that's the first tip on how to make online school easier. Tip number 2 in making online school easier: do your work in increments. So if you don't know what that word means, it's do it piece by piece. Um do like maybe two assignments like in 1 hour, or like do two assignments in 2 hours. You know, start small before you go big. All of these assignments might feel overwhelming, and it feels like it's way too much. But if you just break it down, you gotta take it one step at a time, and you don't want to overwhelm yourself with all this fucking work. And I know how fucking annoying it is, and believe me, bruh, believe me, it's hard. I mean, it's not hard. It's just it's like sometimes it's like too much pressure, I guess. But there's no reason for there to be any pressure. Um, but just do your work in small increments, and it's the teachers sometimes even allow it to turn in late, and then they'll give you a full grade as well. That's if your teacher's nice, though. So remember, just go one step at a time, and over time you'll see that you finished all your assignments in one day. And yeah. All right, tip number 3 to make online school easier is is having some motivation and inspiration that if you like fail this year, you're gonna have to repeat it. But since everyone's having trouble with this, everyone, not many people are turning in all their assignments, they can't fail everyone. But knowing that there's more people just like you, and now there's more people that aren't doing their assignments since it's online, um the chance of them failing you is, it's pretty low. But still, don't take that don't take that into consideration. um know that if you fail, you're gonna have to repeat, and that's gonna be awful. Remember to like take and here's like some extra advice. Take fucking things that take away your attention from your assignment. Like if you have like a TV, turn it off. If you have your phone, put it away. Put some discipline in your life. You wanna make sure you pass this year. And I know it's annoying, because believe me, it's annoying, but I still do it because I'm trying to graduate and uh get on with my life, and do stuff, like YouTube and shit like this, you know so there's like a bunch of motivation that can like make you start doing things. You just gotta look into the things that give you motivation to do it. um but yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. These are my 3 tips in making online school easier. This is like a new concept I'm doing right now. Hopefully you guys like the advice, and if you guys enjoyed it, leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and tell me if this helped you. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. All right, I'm doing the peace sign. Peace, peace.